If you're over 60, your next banana might not be as harmless as you think. For decades, doctors called it the perfect fruit, low in fat, rich in potassium, heart healthy. But new neurological studies are uncovering a dangerous link between excess potassium and sodium imbalance in aging brains, and that imbalance may quietly raise your stroke risk. Brain specialists from the Journal of Geriatric Neurology call it a silent dietary trigger because the warning signs are invisible until it's too late: slurred speech, dizziness, or a sudden loss of balance. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to protect you with facts that every senior deserves to know. Make sure to watch until the end because the final fruit on this list is one most seniors eat daily, and it's the one that shocked neurologists the most. Before we begin, tell me, how old are you? Where are you watching from? And which fruit do you eat most often? Share your answers in the comments. I'd love to see how your habits compare. Fruit number 4, bananas. Let's start with the fruit that sparked all this concern: bananas. Most seniors think of bananas as the ultimate healthy snack: soft, easy to digest, and gentle on the stomach. And yes, bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. But after 60, your body's sodium to potassium balance changes, and that's where the danger begins. As we age, our kidneys slowly lose their ability to excrete excess potassium efficiently. This means even moderate banana intake can cause potassium to build up in the bloodstream. In medical terms, it's called hyperkalemia, and according to a 2022 study in the Journal of Stroke and Cerebrovascular Diseases, older adults with elevated potassium levels were nearly twice as likely to experience small vessel brain damage that can trigger mini-strokes. The problem isn't the banana itself, it's the amount and the context. Many seniors pair bananas with other high-potassium foods like orange juice, yogurt, or leafy greens. When this happens daily, it quietly overwhelms the body's filtration system. The result? Sudden spikes in blood pressure, irregular heart rhythm, and reduced blood flow to delicate brain tissues. Neurologists describe this as the perfect storm for stroke risk: declining kidney function, medication interactions, and over-reliance on potassium-heavy fruits. If you're on ACE inhibitors, beta blockers, or diuretics, you're at even higher risk because these drugs already affect potassium retention. Now, does that mean you should never eat bananas again? Not necessarily. For most seniors, half a banana a few times per week is safe, especially when balanced with hydrating, low-potassium foods like apples or berries. The danger lies in daily consumption without awareness. And the shocking part, bananas are not even the worst offender on this list. What comes next is a fruit that looks harmless, tastes refreshing, but can quietly raise blood pressure and thicken your arteries. Number 3, grapefruit, the hidden artery stiffener. Next on the list is a fruit that almost every heart-conscious senior has been told to eat: grapefruit. It's bright, tart, and often praised for cleansing the arteries. But what most people don't realize is that grapefruit can interfere with over 50 common medications, including blood pressure pills, statins, and blood thinners. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Compounds in grapefruit called furanocoumarins block an enzyme in your liver known as CYP3A4, the very enzyme responsible for breaking down many prescription drugs. When that enzyme is blocked, your medication levels can suddenly spike to dangerous concentrations. Instead of protecting your heart or brain, it can raise your risk of internal bleeding, muscle breakdown, or sudden blood pressure drops that lead to dizziness and falls. A 2020 review in the British Medical Journal confirmed that grapefruit's interaction with cardiovascular and neurological medications is one of the most underreported causes of drug-related hospitalization in older adults. The symptoms often mimic stroke warning signs: slurred speech, weakness on one side, or blurred vision, which is why so many cases are misdiagnosed. One neurologist from Johns Hopkins described it this way: "For a healthy young person, grapefruit is fine, but for a 70-year-old taking heart medication, it can be a biochemical landmine." If you enjoy citrus fruits, switch to oranges or mandarins instead. They offer the same vitamin C benefits without the enzyme blocking effect. And if you're unsure whether your prescription interacts with grapefruit, always ask your pharmacist or doctor before eating. Still, as dangerous as grapefruit can be, it's not the most deceptive fruit on this list. The next one looks innocent, soft, colorful, and sweet, but it's been quietly linked to inflammation inside brain arteries in seniors. Number 2. Dried fruit mixes. The inflammation trap. Now, let's talk about something that hides in plain sight: dried fruit mixes. Raisins, cranberries, apricots, and banana chips are often marketed as healthy snacks. They look innocent, natural, fiber-rich, full of vitamins. But for seniors, these concentrated fruit forms can quietly fuel arterial inflammation and blood sugar spikes that age the brain faster. Here's the problem. When fruit is dried, its water content disappears, but its sugar concentration quadruples. Just a small handful of mixed dried fruit can deliver more sugar than a chocolate bar, and that sugar triggers a process called glycation. Glycation happens when sugar molecules stick to proteins in your blood, forming toxic compounds that make your arteries stiff and your blood thicker. A 2021 study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that older adults who consumed high glycemic dried fruits daily showed 27% higher inflammation markers in their arteries compared to those who ate fresh fruit. Over time, this low-level inflammation increases stroke and dementia risk by reducing blood flow to the brain's small vessels. To make matters worse, many store-bought dried fruits are coated with preservatives like sulfur dioxide and vegetable oils to keep them shiny. These chemicals can irritate blood vessels and reduce the elasticity your body needs to maintain healthy circulation. If you love dried fruit, you don't have to give it up entirely. Just treat it like candy. Keep portions small, stick to natural, unsweetened varieties, and pair them with nuts or protein to slow sugar absorption. But the real surprise is still ahead. The final fruit on this list is one doctors once called the brain booster, yet new research reveals that when consumed in excess, it can do the exact opposite, increasing oxidative stress inside the brain's arteries. Before we continue, if this video has been helpful so far, please tap like so more seniors can find it, and subscribe for more practical, science-based health tips. If you're enjoying this and want to support the channel, click the Super Thanks button. It really helps us keep creating content made for you. How's your health been lately? Share in the comments below. We love hearing your stories and experiences. Number 1. Blueberries. The brain booster turned stroke trigger. Finally, we reach the fruit that has shocked many doctors and nutritionists: blueberries. For decades, they've been called brain food, praised for their antioxidants and memory-boosting effects. But here's what recent evidence shows. For seniors over 60, eating too many blueberries can actually raise stroke risk under certain conditions. A 2023 clinical analysis published in Nutrients Journal found that older adults who consumed high quantities of anthocyanin-rich fruits, especially blueberries, showed elevated oxidative stress markers when combined with diets low in hydration and high in iron or multivitamin supplements. The reason is biochemical. The same antioxidants that protect cells can become pro-oxidants when they accumulate in a body already under oxidative strain. In plain English, too much of a good thing turns harmful. This is especially true for seniors taking blood-thinning medication or those with mild kidney impairment. The excess manganese and natural salicylates in blueberries can interfere with clotting, balance, and filtration, leading to microbleeds and increased pressure inside small brain vessels. Over time, this raises the likelihood of what neurologists call silent strokes, tiny vascular events that slowly impair balance, speech, and memory. None of this means blueberries are bad. In fact, eaten in moderation, about half a cup a few times a week, they remain one of the best fruits for brain and heart health. The problem is daily overconsumption. Many seniors add them to cereal, smoothies, and yogurt every morning without realizing they're stacking antioxidants and sugars far beyond what their metabolism can process efficiently after 60. The takeaway is balance. Alternate blueberries with low-sugar fruits like kiwi or papaya. Drink enough water and avoid pairing them with iron supplements or fortified cereals. That simple adjustment can protect your arteries and preserve the same mental clarity you're trying to support. Safe fruits after 60, the protective alternatives. After hearing about all these hidden risks, you might wonder, so what fruits are actually safe for me after 60? The truth is, there are still several that can protect your arteries, stabilize blood pressure, and feed your brain without triggering the same problems we just covered. Increased pressure in small brain vessels. Over time, this raises the likelihood of what neurologists call silent strokes. Tiny vascular events that slowly impair balance, speech, and memory. None of this means blueberries are bad. In fact, eaten in moderation, about half a cup a few times a week, they remain one of the best fruits for brain and heart health. The problem is daily overconsumption. Many seniors add them to cereal, smoothies, and yogurt every morning, without realizing they're stacking antioxidants and sugars far beyond what their metabolism can process efficiently after 60. The takeaway is balance. Alternate blueberries with low-sugar fruits like kiwi or papaya. Drink enough water, and avoid pairing them with iron supplements or fortified cereals. That simple adjustment can protect your arteries and preserve the same mental clarity you're trying to support. Safe fruits after 60. The protective alternatives. After hearing about all these hidden risks, you might wonder, so what fruits are actually safe for me after 60? The truth is, there are still several that can protect your arteries, stabilize blood pressure, and feed your brain without triggering the same problems we just covered. The first is kiwi, a small but powerful fruit rich in vitamin C, potassium, and natural enzymes that support blood vessel flexibility. Studies from the European Journal of Nutrition found that eating just 2 kiwis a day improved platelet balance and lowered clotting tendency in older adults. Unlike grapefruit or bananas, kiwi supports circulation without interfering with medications. Next is papaya, often overlooked but ideal for seniors. It's rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene and contains a digestive enzyme called papain, which reduces inflammation in blood vessels and joints. A 2021 study in Clinical Interventions in Aging reported that daily papaya consumption improved blood viscosity and oxygen transport in adults over 65, both key factors in preventing small strokes. Finally, pomegranate remains one of the most heart-protective fruits available. Its unique polyphenols help maintain nitric oxide levels, keeping your arteries wide and flexible. Just a few ounces of pomegranate juice, or half a fruit a few times a week, can improve blood flow and lower brain oxidative stress. These fruits work in harmony with your body's natural healing systems. They don't overwhelm them. Think of them as gentle support, not chemical shock. So instead of fearing fruit altogether, choose the ones that help your blood and brain function together. But before you start changing your diet, there's one important thing I want you to remember. Medical disclaimer. Senior-friendly version. Before we wrap up, please remember this. Everything shared in this video is for general education only and not a substitute for personal medical advice. Everyone's body is different, especially after 60. Your medications, blood pressure, and kidney function can all change how you respond to certain fruits. So before making major dietary changes, especially if you're managing diabetes, hypertension, or taking blood thinners, talk with your doctor or a qualified dietitian. The goal here isn't to scare you, but to help you make informed, safer decisions for your long-term brain and heart health. Today, we uncovered how something as innocent as fruit can become risky when eaten without balance. We learned how bananas, grapes, dried fruits, and even blueberries can raise blood pressure, thicken blood, or interfere with circulation when consumed in excess. But we also discovered that fruits like kiwi, papaya, and pomegranate can protect your arteries, stabilize oxygen delivery, and support sharper thinking. So the message isn't avoid fruit, it's eat smarter. Your body after 60 doesn't process sugar and antioxidants the same way it used to. But with the right balance, you can keep your brain clear, your steps steady, and your independence strong. If this video helped you understand your health better, please take a second to like this video, subscribe to G1Natural Health, and share it with a friend or loved one who drinks fruit smoothies or eats certain fruits daily. It might just protect their heart and brain too. And before you go, tell me in the comments, how old are you? Where are you watching from? And which fruit do you eat most often? I love reading your stories and hearing how these videos are helping you live stronger, wiser, and longer. This is G1 Natural Health, where we help older adults take back control of their health, one smart choice at a time. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.